lesson. Okay, good evening, Morgan.
Your evening.
What's your day today?
Um,
Everything's great?
yeah, it's okay.
Okay. I will start to share my screen, Morgan. Okay. Ah, okay. Our lesson today is about lists and tuples. But before I explain this topic today, let's talk about review about few days ago. It's about random module. Still remember
Mm,
what random module used for? Okay. Random
find
module.
whatever no to find to get to find like define and like choose no define and define and rely on like one given choice in the code.
Uh,
I think.
it will return a random number, right? Right? Like this. I have a rand in function here, starting from 1 until 100. So it will return maybe uh, 15 or 20 or 31 or etc. Okay?
Mm,
Is it okay? Okay. I will skip about this so you can have more time for practice. And let's talk about this. I will make it simple, Logan. List is just like a variable, but you can store more than one value like this. Ah,
uh,
okay. So as you can see here, it's like variable, right? Variable, but we can store more than one value like this. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items. Ah, but how we can count up? But how we call the value, Morgan? We use index, like still remember with our first or second meet about like I have result like this, and then we call the index like this one. So remember,
mm, I don't
or you
know.
forgot about it?
I
Like
think.
you have a string like Morgan like this, and you want to call uh, R, so you must result like this. When you want to call R, you just need to call the index. Hold the index. What
Oh,
the index?
just type. Oh,
It,
maybe it's like with numbers, right? So two.
it two.
Mm.
We start with zero, right?
Start
So
with zero.
remember? Okay. So when you want to call this item 178, what the index, Morgan?
Hmm? Index.
What the index? Starting from zero. 1, 2, 3. Still remember, Morgan?
Three.
Yeah.
Also, actually, but
Oh, okay. Ah, so when you want to call 178, you just need to call result and then square bracket, and then inside the square bracket, you just need to fill 3. Okay,
hmm.
just like that. Like this. Result 0, it means 181. Okay. Everything is clear, Morgan?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Ah, if you want to declare an empty list, just use list function like this. Yeah. So you can declare an empty list. Empty list. So you have like variable. Sorry, you have variable. So you have variable with no item. No item. Okay. And then to add an item, just use append function. The variable name and dot. But sorry. What we call it? Like period, period, and append function, and the value. So you have participant list like this, Smith like this. Is everything clear? Clear, Morgan?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's start about this part. Okay, I will wait. Oh, sorry. Ah, okay. Is the text too small or
I can see it.
okay? So we have empty list here, named participants. And then we have input function here, enter last name of participant. It will store to participant without s. Okay, without s. When I enter last name like Denny, while participant now is Denny, is not equal to 0, the participants as append participant. So I will add participants item. So we have Danny here. And then we enter the last name again. I will enter the value into Morgan like this. Let's back to the third line. Morgan, oh, sorry. Morgan is not equal to 0. Is it true or false, Morgan?
It's
It's true. Okay, and then participants dot append participant. So the item will be at Morgan like this. And then we enter. Okay, I will start to enter the 0 here. Let's go to the third line again. Okay, while 0 is not equal to 0, is it true or false, Morgan?
true or false. What?
Uh,
And
well, 0 is not equal to 0. Is it true or false?
false.
Then let's go to the line number 6. Print the group is type participants. So it will print Denny and Morgan. That's it. Okay, the first one, Denny, and the second one, Morgan. Okay, and then 0. Okay, everything is clear, Morgan? Clear?
Hmm?
Okay, it's good. Okay, next. Okay, this how to declare a list with element. The first one in empty list, and then uh, when you want to add a list, the item, just uh, enter the value into square bracket, just like this, and then you can separate it, use comma. When you want to add more than one items, just use square bracket. Okay.
Hmm.
And then for this one, Johnson in participant, search for the occurrence of an element. So if you want to check Johnson in participants, so it will return true or false. If Johnson in participants, it will return true. But if Johnson is not in participants, it will return false, just like that. What about sort? What about sort? Sort function. Morgan?
Hmm. Yeah.
What about sort function?
Uh, to like, see, organize the list.
Just
Or
like that. Okay. Organize. Sort the list in alphabetic, like just like that. Okay. Len. What len function used for? For what?
hmm?
Len function.
Length. Determine the length of the
Yeah,
results.
you can read this purpose. Yeah. Okay, it's clear. So if I have a list like this, my result like this. uh, Monday, Tuesday, and Friday, and then Sunday. If I run this function, it will return. If I have
Well,
uh, results list like this, when I run this code, it will return.
I think it will return three.
Are you
Like,
sure?
or not like, hold on.
One, two, three.
Oh, it's not it though. It's not it though. It's not
It's not index. It's not index. It's just
X. Oh,
the length of the result list. Okay. Can you find the difference between length and in the index? Just like that. Okay. If we use
yeah.
if we talk about index, we
Index
start with
has like
zero. We start with zero. Okay. But we but if we talk about length, we start with
it
number one.
starts
Okay.
from one.
Uh,
Hmm.
that's great. Okay, Morgan, I think everything is clear. And then ini split split function. So split function, this function is used for convert from string into list. Okay, I will give you the example. Wait, just wait a moment. Okay, we have string. We have string. Why I call it string? Because we have quotes here, single quotes here. So it's string, right? It's string. Okay, Morgan?
Hmm.
Ah, and then we convert the string into list. But why we add empty space here? Empty space here we use for separate the item, Morgan. So we have four items here. Okay, I will demo the program just like this. Okay, from string we convert it into list.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay, but when you have data with comma separator like this, just use comma here. Okay,
Oh, okay.
if you still have space, it will still string like this. You only have one item. Okay, you just need to add the separator. Okay, if you use period like this, so the split is period. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay, and then I think fine. I think everything's clear. To add the item, use append, but to delete an element by value, just use remove function. Okay, remove function. Before we remove, we have three items, and then I write this code. Marks dot remove five. It will return four and three. Okay, Morgan.
Hmm.
Okay. We can start the task now for data structures. Lesson one, number one. Okay. Uh, I will repeat it again. Data structures. Lesson one, number one.
Hmm.
Okay, Morgan.
Hmm.
Okay. You can start your share screen, and we will help you for the first question. Just wait a moment. Number one. There are four. Then okay. Okay, what's problem? Maybe we can do the next level. Okay. There are four items that you should check, Morgan. Four options.
That one,
Ah,
I accidentally unchecked this one.
oh, okay, okay. Max. Okay. I think you can do it by yourself for this task. Okay, let's try. Okay. Hacking an item. Ah, that's right. Okay. Okay. Good. Okay. Sorry, sorry. Morgan, is there any problem with this line?
Oh,
Check it carefully.
okay, wait, hold on. Let me
Just use the name of variable, the name of the list.
oh just use users.
Yes, that's right. Users. Ah, okay, that's right. Amount. Okay, total students. What function that we use to calculate how much the item? The keyword is line. Yeah, line. That's right. But just delete this part. Just use line function. Line function the list. Yeah, okay, that's good. Okay, let's see.
Hmm.
Okay, good. Next question. Finish the program. You just need to check if CSGO in this list is CSGO in the list. If CSGO in the list, just print request found in wishes. Otherwise, you can read the question again. Ah, if gamers have added shoot as wish, then it's print request found in wishes. Otherwise, wish doesn't exist. Exist. Uh-uh. Blah 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 in blah blah blah. Is the keyword. If blah 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 in blah blah blah. You just need to fix it. Okay. If searching in
Oh,
game.
searching.
Yeah. Okay. Then uh, it will print. Okay. Otherwise, yeah. Okay. Let's. Okay. Just Okay. That's good. Okay, Morgan. We can skip this uh additional task. Okay. I will stop your screen share. Okay. Okay. Ah, your topic list continued. Okay. Let's see. Okay. We have user list here. We have there are four items here. We want to print user list. It will print like this. Max separate with comma. Okay, just like this. Okay, but uh, if we want to call only some items, just need to call the index again. Okay. If we want to call only one, just call the index like this. Okay. But if we want to call more than one items, I think like this, I mean like this. We want to call more than one item. Okay, just call the index like this. Start with this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So if you start with 0 and with 2, it will return max 1, 2, 3, and 4 level like this. So if we want to call more than one item, the index start with the separator again. Everything's clear, or you can understand it, or what? If you want to only one item, here's the items: 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, only one item, just like this. But if you want to call more than one item, here's the separator. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, starting with 0 and ending with 2. It will print
max level and max level 1 to 3 and level 4 level.
Yeah, okay, that's it. Okay, that's good. Okay, it's the different when we call only one item and more than one item. Okay, and then we can also print convert from list to string and add like separator like this using a join function. Okay, so the first line, this line, it will print like this, Morgan. Max separated with space, empty space like this. Uh, okay, 17, and then empty space like this. And then we can also customize it. Okay, we use like a triple strip here, and then like what do we call it? Like less than less than, and then greater than, like just like that. Okay, just use join function, Morgan. Okay, or you can home again. Any questions so far?
Uh, uh,
I think everything is clear. Just we convert from list into string and then join the item using this parameter. Okay, it will return like this. Ah, okay. Just see the separator again. Okay.
mm,
Uh,
mm.
okay. Okay, next. Okay, sequence item to expect in one. Okay. Uh, item in the list should be same data type. If you use string, it must be all string here. If you use uh whole number, it should be whole number, and whole number. So you can use combine between string and integers, just like that. Okay, Morgan. And then here's the list. Okay, I will ask you, Morgan. Is it string or integer?
String or integer. String.
Uh, is it string or integer?
That's string
Yeah, that's right. Okay. Because?
because they have quotations on them.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. And then okay. String, okay. And then uh the impact when we use string here, we can do calculate, right? We can use 34 plus 22. We can do like this, right? Because it's string. Okay, Morgan?
Mm.
So how we can calculate this? We use map function. Okay. Map is just map we use for set the data type of the list. I mean like this. Okay. We have score. Wait. Okay, I will open the oh wait. Okay. Okay. We have a list with string item. I will print it first. Print score, and then okay, we have score new list map the data type the list. Okay, let's try it. Okay, can you see the difference, Morgan?
Mm.
The first one is string, and then we convert it into integer, and the result is like this. Okay,
There's no quotation marks.
so it is string. It's integer, right?
Integer.
Yeah. Okay, so you can do calculation. You can use looping. Okay, looping with using the index, just like that. Okay, so you just need to you just need map function. You need two parameter. The first one is the data type, and then the second one is the list. Okay. And then don't forget to add list function. So you have uh, in you have map function in the list function. Okay, so, like concise the code. Like you use in function inside. Sorry, input function inside in function. Okay. Score. Okay. You can update the list, the item. Just call the index again. Okay. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items, and then we want to update the first item. I mean, the zero index. Okay. Just call the item with the index, and then you set the value. Okay. It will return like this. Everything is clear, or anything? Any questions for? We want to update the item. Okay, just call the index. Any question?
Item. Mhm.
Okay, I think everything is clear.
Yeah,
Okay, let's wait.
yeah, it's clear. It's clear.
Okay, okay, and then we have a tuple function here. It's same like this, but we can modify the item again. So we have only once to declaring with the element. So if you want to update tuple, can you see the difference, Morgan? It's list. Okay, we use square bracket, and then if we use tuple, we use parentheses. Okay, the difference between tuple and list. If we use list, we use a square bracket, and then if we use tuple, we use parentheses. Okay, but the difference is you can update tuple data type. I mean, like this, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items, and we want to update the first index. I mean, the first item. Okay, it will return error like this. Okay, so we can modify tuple. Is the difference between list and tuple? Okay, Morgan,
Hmm?
everything is clear. But you just like that. I don't understand, but but it's okay. Okay, but you understand, right? The difference between
Yeah,
list.
I understand. I understand what like the score thing you do. Uh, with the score with the zero, just to like replace 34 with a 100 done.
Okay. Okay. I think it's fine. Okay. Let's start with the second task. Okay. Data structure. Lesson one, number two. Number two. Right. Okay. Let's start to share your screen, Morgan.
Oh, wait, hold on.
Okay. I will help you for the first question. Okay. So, okay, data structure. Number two. Okay. You can see your meeting chat. I'll send you the answer for the first question. Okay. There are three options for this question. Which tuples are created correctly? There are three options. Correct option, I mean. There are three correct options. So there is one incorrect option. Please check carefully which tuples are created correctly. Tuples. Student, remember what is the difference between list and tuple? The difference between list and tuple,
Oh,
tuple, square bracket, and parentheses.
mm,
Okay, check carefully. Ah, okay. Next. Okay. Ah, okay. Next, we're going.
sorry, sir. I had to pause to do something for a while.
Okay.
Um,
Okay. Write the program. Okay, I will ask you before you continue it. Is it string or integer?
because there's no because the set analysis that will be written that will be written over there will have no string. No, will have no quotation marks.
Uh, so, but we have empty space here.
Hmm?
We have empty space here, right? So
Yeah.
it's
It
string.
oh
Because you have empty space here, you don't need to use in function. You just need to use map function. Okay, please map and then in and then question. Ah, list parenthesis list. No. List parenthesis.
oh
Mhm. Map in comma where you use only comma. without yeah. And then you need to store the function into variable. You can use question again. Question equal list. Just move it. Just move it. You can cut this and paste to here. Okay. You can delete. Yeah, you can delete it. Okay. It is string, right? Sorry. It is print function, right? Where you use variable to store your
Oh,
print.
I thought
Wait, please map in question. I think, wait, which question? This map in input. Oh, we forgot to add the split. Okay, so we need to add split here. Dot split, dot split.
oh,
Uh, oh, okay. Maybe we use the split here. Question dot split. I mean question dot split. Please move this split into this part, this code. Okay, move it. Okay, cut, move. Okay, cut, and then okay. Let's try again. Wait, what's split? Mm, list map in input 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. What happened if we add space here? Add space inside the okay, let's try again. Okay, if we can't do like this, let's try to create like this. Wait. Okay, I will copy it. Okay, you can update this. You can update this like this. So we directly use list and map function here. You can delete the second line and then modify the first line. Question equal list map in input. You can delete the second line. Okay. Okay. you can delete all the second line, and then modify the first line like this. Sorry, I will delete this row. Too much for close parenthesis.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's check the question again. Let's check the rules. Okay. The
Oh wait, I
program.
forgot.
Read the question again. Output the next result, stable performance or no stable performance. So how we can uh, choose stable or no stable? We use this rule. The program requests the entering a set of with separated by a space. Then the analysis of performance is made. Stable performance is considered as a situation where each grid is greater than or equal to the previous one. Can you make it? Can you solve it? So you need to use looping for I in range the item. So one question. Okay. Okay. I mean like sorry. Mine's one like this. It's there is a mistake. Okay. Let's do the looping. So I sorry if if question I less than question one question I sorry I plus one, I think the question one less than is still stable mm, stable. Oh, okay. Let's make status true before we use for loop. Please make a status variable before you use looping.
Status.
Status variable before we use for loop. No. After the deadline. After deadline. Okay, you can enter this. Yeah, status. Okay, true. Okay, if question less than status still. Okay, so we can try like this. If question, okay, we use greater than or equal to. Sorry. Greater than, only greater than, greater than. Question. We use square bracket here. Square bracket. Let's try. Wait. If okay, status return false. Okay. You can delete this line again. If questioner status is equal to false, please make it move forward. Make it move forward. Again. Move it forward again. Okay. And then you can break the loop. Enter. Break. Break. Okay. Let's use if function. Okay, you can delete this part. So if status, okay, print, blah blah blah. Otherwise, print blah blah blah. Okay, it's for stable performance. It's for no stable performance. Move it backward. Okay. Otherwise, else, yeah. No, what? Stable performance. Performance. Lowercase. When there is comma here, you should delete it. Yeah. Put input. And question. There are okay, you can delete. Okay. Yeah, let's check it. What's wrong? Enter the marks. Separated. Pay a space. Okay. Set analysis. Okay. The last one we have uh 5 I think 8 minutes. Okay. Okay. Column. Print students. So we must print it first. Print it first. Here. Move it forward. Move it forward. The class list. The class list. Okay. Okay, so we want to call this item. So you need the parameter. You need to add parameter my students. Okay, and then we use looking. So for I E range plan my students like this. Colon, don't forget it colon, yeah, okay. And then, okay, enter, Morgan, enter, yeah. Okay, we need to call the number, print, I plus 1, and then like this, and then my students, I, like this. Close parenthesis. Yeah. Okay. My students, adding a new students. What function that we used to add adding a new students?
Yes.
Pen.
Oh,
Okay. Please call the list. So my students that append for the item that we want to add. Okay, let's see the question. Let's see the question. What item should we add? Oh, the input. Okay, so we must add the input function. Like let's see the picture, Morgan. Let's see the picture. Can you click this picture? Okay, so we must to add input function here. Okay, please make it input function. Enter blah blah blah. See the picture. See the picture before you use append function. Okay, create this part. Enter the last. No. Here. So you can answer the code. Okay. The variable. Don't remember. Don't forget to add the variable. Variable equals input function. The variable. Okay, question. Okay. There are empty space here. You can delete it. You can delete the empty space. So we can use students that append question. You can delete the comma. Oh my god. You can delete the comma. Where you always use the comma. Okay. Print the update list. Okay, I think it's fine. There's no problem. Okay, let's start to run your code. The class list. Wait, let's go with it. Students. Oh, we must use sort function. Okay, before you print it, please sort it. Okay, before you print it, you must sort it. my students dot sort.
Oh,
My students dot sort function. Yeah. Okay, let's try it.
mm,
Okay. Okay, Morgan. I think enough for today.
yeah,
Okay, thank you, Morgan. Can I stop right now because after your class, I have another class again. Okay,
it's
Morgan.
okay. Mm,
Okay. Thank you for today, Morgan. See you. Bye bye.
sure.